What is the capital city of India? Answer: New Delhi. Which is the national animal of India? Answer: Bengal tiger. What is the largest ocean in the world? Answer: Pacific Ocean. What is the national flower of India? Answer: Lotus. How many continents are there in the world? Answer: 7. What is the chemical symbol for water? Answer: H2O. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Answer: Jupiter. What is the largest organ in the human body? Answer: Skin. Who is the father of the Indian nation? Answer: Mahatma Gandhi. What is the national language of India? Answer: Hindi. What is the national bird of India? Answer: Indian peacock. Which is the national game of India? Answer: Hockey. Who wrote the Indian national anthem? Answer: Rabindranath Tagore. Which Indian state is known as the land of the gods? Answer: Uttarakhand. What is the highest mountain peak in India? Answer: Kanchenjunga. Which is the largest state in India in terms of area? Answer: Rajasthan. What is the national tree of India? Answer: Banyan. Which Indian state is famous for its backwaters? Answer: Kerala. What is the currency of India? Answer: Indian rupee. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru. Which is the largest state in India in terms of population? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Which is the national emblem of India? Answer: Lion, capital of Ashoka. What is the official language of the Indian state of Maharashtra? Answer: Marathi. Who built the Taj Mahal? Answer: Emperor Shah Jahan. Which Indian state is famous for its tea plantations? Answer: Assam. What is the national aquatic animal of India? Answer: River dolphin. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? Answer: Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Which is the largest city in India by population? Answer: Mumbai. Which Indian state is famous for the Golden Temple? Answer: Punjab. Which Indian state is famous for the Sundarbans mangrove forest? Answer: West Bengal. Which city in India is known as the Pink City? Answer: Jaipur. What is the national song of India? Answer: Vande Mataram. Which Indian state is famous for the Red Fort? Answer: Delhi. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? Answer: Karna Malleshwari. Which Indian state is famous for the Ajanta and Ellora caves? Answer: Maharashtra. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Answer: Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which Indian state is known as the land of the rising sun? Answer: Arunachal Pradesh. What is the official language of the Indian state of Tamil Nadu? Answer: Tamil. Who is known as the Nightingale of India? Answer: Sarojini Naidu. Which Indian state is famous for the Valley of Flowers? Answer: Uttarakhand. Which Indian state is famous for the Meenakshi temple? Answer: Tamil Nadu. Who is known as the Missile Woman of India? Answer: Tessie Thomas. Which Indian state is famous for the Kaziranga National Park? Answer: Assam. who is known as the Iron Lady of India? Answer: Indira Gandhi. Which Indian state is famous for the Sun Temple in Konark? Answer: Odisha. Who is known as the Wizard of Hockey in India? Answer: Dhyan Chand. Which Indian state is famous for the Lake Palace in Udaipur? Answer: Rajasthan. Which Indian state is famous for the Nalanda University ruins? Answer: Bihar. Which Indian state is famous for the Hawa Mahal? Answer: Rajasthan. Which Indian state is famous for the Kovalam beach? Answer: Kerala. Which Indian state is famous for the Victoria Memorial? Answer: West Bengal. Which Indian state is famous for the Charminar? Answer: Telangana. Which Indian state is famous for the Amer Fort? Answer: Rajasthan. Which Indian state is famous for the Mysore Palace? Answer: Karnataka. Which Indian state is famous for the Somnath Temple? Answer: Gujarat. Which Indian state is famous for the Qutub Minar? Answer: Delhi. When did Simon Commission come to India? Answer: 1928. When did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? Answer: 13th April in 1919. When did the Quit India movement start? Answer: 8th August 1942. Who founded the Azad Hind Fauj? Answer: Subhash Chandra Bose. When did the Constitution of India come into force? Answer: 26th January in 1950. Who is the guardian of the Constitution of India? Answer: Supreme Court. In which year the National Commission for Women Act was passed by the Parliament? Answer: in 1990. What is the gas emitted from motor vehicles? Answer: carbon monoxide. Which was the first river valley project of India? Answer: Damodar Valley Project. Who gave the slogan of Delhi Chalo? Answer: Subhash Chandra Bose. Bhakra Nangal project is on which river? Answer: Satluj. Hirakud Dam is situated in which state? Answer: Odisha. Who was the first person to reach the moon? Answer: Neil Armstrong. Where are the diamond mines in India? Answer: Andhra Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Which Indian leader tried to end the practice of sati? Answer: Raja Ram Mohan Roy. What is the maximum time taken to sing the national anthem? Answer: 52 seconds. Where was Mother Teresa born? Answer: Albania. Who is the Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Armed Forces? Answer: President. With whom is the Blue Revolution related? Answer: with fish production. Which country shares the longest boundary with India? Answer: Bangladesh. Which is the boundary line called between India and Pakistan? Answer: Ratcliffe Line. Which channel separates the Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Answer: 10-degree channel. Which state in India shares our boundaries with maximum states? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Abolition of untouchability comes under which article in India? Answer: Article 17. What is the meaning of white color on the Indian national flag? Answer: Peace and truth. What is the maximum gap between two sessions of the Parliament? Answer: 6 months. When is National Girl Child Day celebrated in India? Answer: 24th January. On which day National Youth Day is celebrated every year in India? Answer, 12th January. When is Indian Navy Day celebrated every year? Answer, 4th December. Which is the third highest civilian award in India? Answer, Padma Bhushan. Silent Valley National Park is situated in which state? Answer, Kerala. Which is the lower house of the Parliament of India? Answer, Lok Sabha. Name the riverbank on which the Taj Mahal is situated. Answer, Yamuna. Who was the first female IAS officer in India? Answer, Anna Rajam Malhotra. Who is known as the Flying Sikh of India? Answer, Milkha Singh. Which was India's first mission to the moon? Answer, Chandrayaan 1. What is the motto of the Indian national emblem? Answer, Satyamev Jayate. Who was the first Law and Justice Minister of India? Answer, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who was the first Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh? Answer, Yashwant Singh Parmar. Who was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha? Answer, Ganesh Vasudev Mavlankar. Where is the Indian Military Academy located? Answer, Dehradun. The Indian Institute of Science is located in which Indian city? Answer, Bangalore. Which is the only continent where giraffes live? Answer, Africa. What is the highest peak of the Aravalli mountain range? Answer, Guru Shikhar.